Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you exactly how much TikTok paid me for 2 million views through their creator reward program. If you've ever wondered what kind of money TikTok creators actually make, this video will give you the inside scoop. I have been on TikTok for 2 months now, which I managed to join creators reward program. And I have to say that the $1 for 1,000 views, it's not exactly true. But first, let me explain real quick. TikTok has a program called the Creator Reward Program. This is their way of compensating creators based on the performance of their videos. The payments depend on your video's reach, engagement, and a few other factors. It's available in select countries. But don't worry, I'll share a solution for those of you who live in places where this program isn't eligible. But for now, let's dive into numbers. I'm first going to share with you how much money TikTok paid me for 2 million views on one of my videos. Let's check the video real quick. And after this, I'll explain something that everyone needs to know if they want to benefit from the Creator Reward Program. Over the past few weeks, I've had a few videos take off, and one of them is this one that has gained 2 million views. So you can see that the RPM is 94 cents, which I'll share something about this in a bit with you. The total video views are 2 million for this video. But out of 2 million, there are only 1 million qualified views. That's because 39% have watched the video for less than 5 seconds. 8% are repeated views from same users, which mean people have watched it for 2 or more times. This 2% found this video from someone else and not formed for you feed. And less that 1% disliked this video, which to be honest, I don't know who might have disliked this one. So with all this information, 2 million views made me only $963. That's the exact number. I see a lot of TikTok gurus that compare videos where they say that if you get, for example, 5 million views, you get $5,000, but that's not true. I have also noticed that as much views you get, the RPM starts getting lower. For this video on the beginning, I remember RPM to be $1.20 and then started getting lower and lower until it went to 94 cents. The other thing about RPM is that you always need to target US audience if you want to make more money. If you think of doing international content, then you are not going to make that much. For example, let's check this video. This one got a total of 473,000 views. Out of this number, it got only 140,000 qualified views, and it made me a total of $65. This is because of the RPM, which for this one is $0.46. That's because the video was less shared to the US audience, only 27% compared to the previews video that had 87%. This is the truth about TikTok. If you ask, is it worth it? Then I would have to say for me, it is worth it because I spent 1 hour to create one of these videos. So if you are interested how I do that, then make sure to subscribe and turn on the ring bell, because I'm soon going to be sharing more tips how you can make money using AI and other techniques. Let me know in the comments your experiences with Creator Rewards Program. And I mentioned earlier that if you are not part of the eligible countries for Creator Reward Program, then you can click on the link down below where you can go and buy an already monetized TikTok account with a huge discount. Or if you have someone living in these countries, then you can ask them to create an account for you, and you grow it slowly. If you found this helpful, then subscribe and like the video. I appreciate your support, and more tips are going to come in the next videos.